Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Magic AI from Canva. In this example over here guys, we're going to use the AI image generator to create a t-shirt design. Okay, it will be very easy, it will be very simple, anyone can do it. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and log into your Canva account and then go on the upper left side of the screen on the actual menu and go on Discover Apps. When you're over here at apps, you will have a bunch of trending apps right now, and you will have a filter between what kind of apps functionality you're looking for. But we're going to go ahead and click on the search bar, and we're gonna type Magic Media. Magic Media proprietary technology, works very fast and it's very efficient. This is the app we're looking for. We're gonna click on it and then we're going to scroll down and click on use new design. Look, if you currently have certain designs for merchandise that you already have in place, you probably can utilize some of them and use the AI to change these designs. There is an option if you click use in existing design. We're going to create something from scratch, so let's click use new design. Then you want to scroll down to the section that is called t-shirt design. As you can see over here, we have a t-shirt design. There is a special dimensions that are in the t-shirt itself. And the way how the Magic Media works is that you will have to input a prompt over here. You can include objects, colors, places. The more details you include, the better results the Canva AI will actually give you, because it will have a more starting points and it will add more details. Underneath you will find the styles in which the way you want the image to appear, so you can essentially have more realistic versus more caricature or cartoon or animation vibe. You can also have something like a painting over here. In our example, we said we're going to create a t-shirt. Create a t-shirt design with Ferrari 458 in the Amazon jungle, racing with Lamborghini, and a lot of animals are watching the race. So as you probably suggest, it will be hard. Ferrari Lamborghini may result in content that doesn't meet our policies. Okay, so replace Ferrari. So one sport car racing with another sport car. This is how a little fine tuning always helps, but still gonna be crazy. Just imagine two sports car racing in the jungle. The way how the Magic Media works, guys, is it will generate 4 different AI images, which are unbelievable. As you can see, absolutely wow. Man, just look at this. Just look at this beauty. Again, guys, this is unknown sport car. Okay, this is unknown sports car, and we just got a design for some like crazy AI sports car with some like tigers in, I don't know what is it, like cheetah or leopards on the back. It's crazy. It's such a good quality, right? This is what I meant by you need to have your imagination. This is why Canva realized that when we use like the brands Ferrari and Lamborghini, they cannot print it, right? Because it's a brand stuff. It's a copyright probably. So that's why we replace the brands with some sport car. And this is amazing. If a shot like this I see, right, I most likely will buy if I'm car enthusiast. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.